Ready to supercharge your customer engagement by connecting Twilio with the world's most popular messaging app? Let's dive straight into setting up your WhatsApp sender in Twilio, transforming your communication strategy in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Twilio account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the messaging section. This is your central hub for all things SMS, MMS, and of course, WhatsApp. Now, look for senders and give it a click. This is where you'll manage all your outgoing numbers and channels, including your WhatsApp sender. You'll see a list of different sender options. Find and select WhatsApp senders. This is where the WhatsApp magic happens. If you haven't already, you'll need to request access to the WhatsApp Business API through Twilio. Click on the Request Access or Get Started button if it exists. Now fill out the required information in the form. Twilio needs some details about your business and how you plan to use WhatsApp to ensure compliance with WhatsApp's policies is clear and accurate as possible. After submitting, you'll typically need to wait for approval. Once approved, you'll see a Twilio phone number or short code designated for your WhatsApp sender within your Twilio account. This is the number you will use to send messages. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your WhatsApp sender in Twilio. Now, you can use Twilio's API to integrate WhatsApp messaging into your application, reaching your customers a whole new way.